Today I want to tell you about a great hunting knife from Outdoor Edge, and that is the Razor Lite. This is the original knife from Outdoor Edge that features their patented replacement blade system, so it never needs sharpening. The Razor Lite combines a thin, surgically sharp stainless steel razor blade with a sturdy black oxide coated blade holder that fully supports the razor blade. This gives you all the strength and durability of a regular knife and the razor sharpness of a surgeon's scalpel. The 3.5-inch drop point blade is the perfect blade shape for both field dressing and skinning any big game animal. Changing blades is both safe and easy. You simply push the lock button in the handle to remove and insert a shaving sharp new one. The Razor Lite comes with 6 precisely heat-treated and surgically sharp razor blades made from Japanese 420J2 stainless steel. The rubberized TPR handle gives a safe, secure grip, and the blaze orange makes the knife so easy to find whenever you set it down. Each knife includes a quality nylon belt sheath with a separate compartment to store all your spare blades. The spare blades come individually vacuum sealed in easy tear-open pouches so they stay clean and dry. So if you're looking for a great new hunting knife that never needs sharpening, check out the Razor Lite by Outdoor Edge.